of the improvements in this release of DecoNetwork is an enhanced integration with the BTC Activewear catalog. This update adds the ability to directly send your purchase orders to BTC using the live ordering feature. Live ordering can be configured and enabled by clicking the supplier account details under the product section of your admin area. From here, we can press edit next to our desired supplier. We'll find the live ordering options by scrolling to the bottom of the page. You'll first need to enable the Use Live Ordering option here at the top of this section. Next, you'll need to fill out the information in the required fields. The setup process is slightly different for each supplier. In the case of BTC Activewear, you'll need to reach out to the IT support email listed here at the top of the section. Once you've enabled and configured the live ordering feature, you'll see enhanced functionality when working with BTC Activewear purchase orders in your Business Hub. Editing or creating a purchase order will give you live stock updates and live pricing. Changing a quantity will show you live price updates on the fly. When you're ready to order, you can save your purchase order and choose the Send Purchase Order option. You'll see Live Send is now available, allowing you to send the purchase order information directly from DecoNetwork to BTC Activewear. We hope this enhancement streamlines your purchase ordering workflow.